Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of cocks on here.
Bro, damn.
You like cock?
Yo, YBH.
Small hand.
Niggers.
Damn. You blind? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
My name is Asia.
Mm,
I'm 18.
mm.
I got 2 kids.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay,
Sadly.
that's nice. Sadly, damn! Damn! Nah.
Hello. Boy, hey, what you got going on? Hey.
Nigga, my
Hey.
camera, my camera, but my camera's fucked up. Hold on. I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to fix it. Hold on.
Per 30. 1, 2, buckle my shoes.
I
can't hear you though. I can't hear you, bro.
You can't hear me?
No, I can't hear you, bro. See on the, what it
Yo, hey, I got a
Fuck
question.
the fuck.
Oh, bitch, you been like a bottle of apple juice.
He fine.
How I built?
Let me suck your dick from the back. I can't even hear you.
I was gonna say, oh hell no. When'd you have your firstborn?
13.
13?
I'm playing 17.
I was about to say, oh, what? You're trying to tell me you had your firstborn at 17. So you mean in the next couple months you got pregnant again?
Yeah.
Oh, you was on timing. You was crazy. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Why is your name Thought Boy? You over here thoughting?
Yeah, bro, that's what I am.
You slinging meat or whatever? Oh, damn, nigga, you naked? Oh, you freaky.
Yeah.
Oh, you freaky.
Thanks.
Oh, you on that timing.
I just feel like shorty in the bed.
What? Nigga, was that a twin mattress, nigga? What? You nigga, you beat on that, nigga? Oh, Lord.
Yeah, my guy.
I feel that. Where you from?
Egypt.
Nigga, your black ass look like you from Epstein Island. You not from Egypt, nigga?
I'm from Africa.
Oh, you from Africa?
Yeah.
Where they find you at?
I'm from Africa.
You gotta click it.
Name.
Damn, nigga, what happened to your
What's my finger,
finger? Playing with that booty hole. That's what you get. Burning.
It's from fingering. It's from fingering a vampire.
A vampire? Nigga, what?
Yeah.
Nigga, nigga, you was fingering
Fingering a
yourself,
vampire.
nigga.
No.
Yes, you was.
No.
You was fingering yourself. That's your finger burnt. God damn! Oh my gosh, what was that? Song going crazy. I'll go cap though.
Nah, my girl go crazy.
Hey man, go crazy, man. Whatever makes you happy, man. Nigga, the fuck? Dirty ass roach. Nigga had a roach. Nigga had a roach in the camera and talk about this my girl. This not.
Oh, their dad died 2 days ago. They don't know that their dad died, because I won't tell them, and I'm not going to tell them until they get older and they understand. So yeah.
You just said your kid's dad died 2 days ago?
Oh yeah,
You seen two?
he got shot in front of my building, right there, down.
You seem too calm about that.
Okay, so he got my 2 kids, right? He has my best friend 3 kids, that's 5, and then he has my sister's, my real sister kid. One of them is it was a twin, but it died, so it's like 1. Technically it's 2. And then he has my other cousin, which is gay. I'm not gonna get it. Anyways, she's transgender. So it's a man, looks just like a man, but still got a girl parts. And he wanted to find out what was gonna happen. And he got got him pregnant. So he got a man pregnant. So that was 3 because they're all like triplets. Is that what that is? Triplets? Yeah, it's 3 of them triplets together. So that's 10 altogether. 10, right? And then he got 3 other ones, which is 13. And then the other ones, I don't know who kids that is. And then he has 2 other kids. He has 2 other kids from, what's that girl name? She was my best friend, but she's not my best friend no more. And so that's, how many was that? That was 13, 14, that's 18, I think. I don't know, something like that.
18
he got 18
kids?
children. Y'all.
Damn, what y'all doing? Having a Brady Munch? This nigga. What was that laugh? You're scaring me. That was crazy. No, it's good. Yo.
I need a haircut.
You said what? You just got a haircut? Let me see.
I need a haircut, bro.
Oh, I think you say you just got a haircut. I was saying
No,
you
I
need to go
didn't.
back to that barber because that nigga fucked you up. Like, what do you want to be at in life?
An anesthesiologist.
I want to become a stripper.
For real?
That's a goal. Here, that's y'all may think differently. No, that's a
I thought you was lying.
No, I really want to become not like work at a strip club, but I at least want to
Like dance?
do it.
What
I'm
would be your
achieve
name? What would be named like Chocolate Drop or something?
Chocolate drop.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.